How to get $250 Shein promo code. Let's get started. Shein is a global fashion and lifestyle online retailer committed to making the beauty of fashion accessible to all. Shein set out to solve this problem by building a new kind of fashion business model driven by its customers. Using Shein promo codes, you can get discount on your purchase. You can launch your Shein app and select the items that you want to purchase. Once you land to the order confirmation page, you'll find this option of apply coupon over here. Go ahead and click on this option of apply coupon, and over here you can apply the coupon code and get the discount. But where can you find the coupon code? For that, you can close your Shein app. Now launch your preferred browser, type in Shein promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Shein. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're gonna find tons of deals and offers for Shein. 30% coupon code, $40 coupon code, and many more. You can head towards any of the offer that you are interested in. Just go ahead and click on view coupon. Now I can copy it. Now I can head towards the order confirmation page of the Shein. Click on the apply coupon option and then paste that code over here and then click on place order. And with that, you'll get a certain amount as a discount. By following the same steps, you can also apply these coupon codes. Also go to these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Shein. Well, this is how you can get up to $250 Shein promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.